Love this book, and let me explain why. This says, let's read it. Average for healthy individuals. Stop looking at my fingernail. Average for healthy individuals. Do you know what healthy means? It means healthy. Do you know what average means? It means average. Normal arterial blood pressure. Normal. Do you know what normal means? Normal arterial blood pressure at various ages. Female, 80 years old. Average, normal for healthy individuals. Healthy, focus. Healthy. 160/90 for 70-year-olds. Normal. For healthy individuals, average. For a 50-year-old, 140/90. Normal. Average. Normal arterial blood pressure at various ages. Normal. Healthy. So don't fall for the scams. Don't fall for the scams, the scams. They try to fool you. Wake up. If you're bigger, it's even higher. Normal. Healthy. Average. Average. That means you can be higher. You can also be lower. This is without medication, by the way. Normal. You don't need these stupid pills. Wake up! Look up Malcolm Kendrick. Read his book called Doctoring Data. Doctoring Data by Malcolm Kendrick. Read it. Read about the truth. Veritas. Don't be scared. Great book. Wonderful.